my crazy dad trying to set up his helicopter here. That thing, that's badass, eh? Alright.
Okay.
Here's Mr. Dano.
Let's just get it spooling up.
Okay.
Rather here to show people the days today.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Well, gotta go.
I'm gonna guess, what? 5-10 kilometer wind?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get the thing spooling up and do some hovering here.
Yep.
2,000 RPM. This motor has got no problems riding through the wind because I can take switch off.
That's true. Yeah, I don't want it.
Over this way and get the picture of it.
All right.
It's windier high off the ground.
Yep. You're at 2 minutes and 30 seconds, Dad.
Yeah.
What's your battery life on this?
6 minutes.
Okay.
I'm going to do some bobbing, okay? Just
Yep.
up and down. I was just doing a hard, just coming down just to see how it handles the acceleration up.
Three minutes.
Very stable.
Oh yeah, that's really smooth, eh? I saw on YouTube another guy with his helicopter. The gas one is vibrating and couldn't even get it off the ground. Coaxial one.
Oh. I did it deliberately. I'm doing some bobbing.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to hit the ground, but I want to see how it handles accelerating up.
Yep.
I'm doing that deliberately.
Yep.
You have to put more strain in the helicopter.
Exactly.
And also, if someone's going to fly apart, it's going to happen on doing that mode. You know, do some more bobbing. Yeah.
Yep.
That's what it was.
4 minutes, 52 seconds. 5 minutes, 30 seconds.
Well, it doesn't just die right away. It starts to lose head speed.
Okay.
Tell about the sound.
Yeah.
Stiff wind.
Yep. Yeah, it's 6 minutes now.
Word.
Yeah.